but let me get back to this kind of evolution of because I think one of the things that kind of opened up also AI for me, this whole using a chat GPT, is because of the positive feedback or experience that I had in the process. Wow, this is really a tool that makes my life easier.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it can help me aggregate content. It can give me suggestions. It can correct vocabulary and syntax and all that good stuff. Okay, which just makes your life easier. I think another area where AI is getting a lot of hype right now is in the marketing area. I think
Definitely in the marketing area, recruitment areas,
yeah.
And also in health.
I'd like to talk about that separate, but I almost think that's for me a more socially valuable topic to talk about. I will say that I have a marketing background, so that doesn't mean I mean to demean marketing, but it's not in the same social value as medical. And I think there's a lot of interesting medical practices there. Let's because I think one of the things we shouldn't avoid talking about also with maybe in context would be, is there a legitimate fear? Since you have a social background also, what social impact could it have? And if we use, for example, so if somebody uses ChatGPT to write an essay or to put together something, I don't think anybody's really concerned that much. Maybe I think universities are concerned because they're afraid that all their students are going to write their essays over ChatGPT.